Let's make traditional warm German potato salad, also known as warmer Kartoffelsalat. Start by boiling 3 pounds of waxy or all-purpose potatoes. Dice 6 ounces of bacon. I like thick-cut bacon, but any bacon you have will be fine. Dice 1/2 of a large onion or 1 whole small onion. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the diced bacon. Once the bacon is frying, add the diced onion and saute until tender and translucent. Mix in 2 tablespoons of mustard and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Stir and deglaze with white wine vinegar and beef broth. Bring to a simmer and allow it to simmer for several minutes. Add fresh parsley and chives, and your bacon vinaigrette is done. Rinse, drain, peel, and slice the potatoes. Place the diced potatoes in a large serving bowl and pour the warm bacon vinaigrette over the warm potatoes. Voila, you're done. Enjoy your German potato salad. Thanks for watching. And for more easy recipes, go to cheerfulcook.com